Good morning, everyone. I'll keep this video nice and quick, but I have quite a few one-on-ones today, so I'm going to do my best to respond back to you in email if you have any questions, but hopefully today's video gives you some ideas of what to do and how to get started before we meet at 1 o'clock today. And you're going to be hearing my son in the background playing with his cars, so hope that's okay with all of you. First and foremost, I just want to share with you, I've decided to start posting our agenda, and so you'll just have access to this on Google Classroom. I've decided to put it under extended learning, so it's all in one place. So what you would do is you would click on it, and then you will be able to see our agenda and see what we're planning on doing today. I also provided to-dos. I'm not calling it homework. Some of you are at different places with things, so I'd like you to try and get what you can done. But this is sort of according to our packet that you'll be turning in. These are sort of the things that are coming up that need to be done and turned in with your packet. If there's some sort of extenuating circumstance and you've got yourself set up with me separately, that's okay as well. So there's the agenda. There's the link. I've also posted the link in our calendar so you can access it on either way. I'm going to ask, yes, you can, obviously I'm not going to be able to stop you from going onto the link, but I'm not going to be on until about 12:45, 1 o'clock. So remember, using your school accounts, you are responsible to show your pride with technology, and please make very good choices and treat each other with kindness and respect. Okay? Hi, Ryden. I'm helping my students. I'm almost done. I'll be there in just a minute. Thank you. Okay. So let's talk about today. So we're going to be looking at how to write a conclusion. So in your rough draft assignment, I've now posted another document. So if you're still working on building strong body paragraphs, you're going to continue with that. If you are ready to look at your conclusion, I've provided a worksheet to just kind of guide you through and to give you some options on how to write a more interesting conclusion and avoid being on the typical side. Sometimes it can be a little bit what we call boring. Boring is not bad. If you're writing well, but you're sticking to what you know, that's fine. But if you'd like to take a risk and really try to end your argument with some creativity, these are some ideas for you. Sorry, everybody's talking. All right, and then finally, with math, I've provided the answer key, but I did ask that before you scroll down and look at the answers, during our teaching yesterday and the days before, I didn't go over these terms, and when I looked at your homework yesterday after our Google Meet, I realized it would have been really beneficial for you to have access to these terms and use them when doing your work. So if you found that a lot was difficult to complete because you didn't quite understand what they were asking of you, what I'd like you to do is go back to your homework and try to do the problems after having gone over these terms. So these are 4 terms that you're going to see when solving expressions using variables or letters, okay? So the first word is expression, and you need to know that that's when we're using a variable in a math problem. Coefficient is the number that's next to the variable that's associated with it. When a problem asks you to expand, they're asking you to take an equation like this and expand it into something like that. So 2 times x plus 2 times 2. Okay? And then factoring is the opposite of that. Taking an equation like this and factoring it, where you can say 5 times x plus 5. It's the same thing as 5x plus 25. If you feel confident you understood that when doing your homework, then you can scroll down and the answer key is there for you. Okay? Please email me if you have any questions. It's Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. Be on the lookout. I'll be posting information about what your parents can do to turn in your packets this weekend and how to get your new packet. And I'll be posting information soon about how to access report cards. Okay? Can't wait to see you all today and at 1 o'clock, and have a wonderful rest of your morning. Bye, guys.